Angola's Benguela province has been a trading powerhouse for centuries and has become a new magnet for business. That's in part because of a newly rebuilt railroad, connecting Benguela's port of Lobito with the mineral-rich regions of south-central Africa. There's also this new airport. In this edition of Business Angola, we look at the investment opportunities in a region reborn. Let's go. Katumbela International Airport is a leading symbol of this rebirth. Built to transport 2.2 million passengers a year, it's an ultra-modern complex with cargo capacity.
Here we have an intermodality of transport. We have railways, we have port services, and we also have airport services. So we are contributing to air transportation both inside the country and abroad.
Agriculture is among the top industries here. We talked to a farmer businessman who's called the Banana King. His father started the business with one tractor. It now spans 100 hectares, including cattle, herbs, and of course, bananas grown organically.
We are in the process of collecting and packing bananas. As you know, the region of Benguela is a very promising region in banana production. At the moment, we are in a training phase to enter the export market.
Montero has expanded to distribution for the farming sector. This warehouse sells tons of agrochemicals, seeds, and other supplies from around the world.
Why invest? You should invest here because the business environment is a very good one, isn't it? We have an airport, we have rail, we have a port. The economic environment is stabilizing, so it's a very good time to invest.
Montero says the economic opportunities here are both real and potential.
In Benguela, we have three key sectors. We have fishing, we have agriculture, and we have a great potential sector, which is tourism.
Indeed, Benguela province has major tourism potential. With an endless coastline, sport fishing, beach bars and restaurants, the contrast of colonial and modern architecture, and palm tree-lined avenues looking like Southern California. It's called the City of the Crimson Acacia. And don't forget Mbaka National Stadium, built for the Africa Cup Games in 2010. There's also major international investment in the fishing industry here, competing with the local producers like Vimar and Filhos, a family-run company that's been here for generations. Their main catch? Sardines and mackerel.
At the moment, we have 8 vessels with a capacity of 60 tons. In the production area, we have a capacity of 2,000 tons of storage and 400 tons for freezing. We're a 100% private company with a labor capacity of 600 workers.
Why should someone invest in the fishing business here in Angola?
First of all, because I think our country needs greater investment. It's a country that needs investments of the sort. In addition to being our own country, I think we should invest here to create jobs and economic development. This is a promising country.
That's all for now on Business Angola. From all of us here on the Euronews team, we say obrigado, thanks for watching, and see you next time.